aren't tired because of your job, stress, or bad luck. You're exhausted because you're giving your power away every single day without noticing. Most people wake up carrying invisible weight, not their goals, but other people's energy, reactions, and expectations. If you feel overwhelmed, it's not your life, it's what your mind keeps attaching itself to. You spend time thinking about people who barely think about you. You replay conversations, overanalyze messages, and search for meanings that may not even exist. But the truth is, you're not discovering reality. You're building a mental cage and living inside it. Every time you do this, you move yourself out of your own life and center someone else in it. That isn't connection. That is quiet self-abandonment. When you say, "You made me feel this way," you're handing away control of your emotions. That means someone else now has the remote control to your mood. If they can create your happiness, they can also destroy your peace. Real strength starts when you realize your emotions can be influenced, but they don't belong to anyone else. You think you're suffering because of the past, but you're suffering because you keep reliving it. Breakup, betrayal, or apology that never came is still alive only in your mind. Even though life moved on, your thoughts keep replaying what you can't change. Closure isn't something someone gives you. It's something you stop waiting for. Waiting keeps you stuck in a life that already ended. You don't have unlimited time to keep living in what's already gone. People suffer because they expect life to stay still, but nothing ever does. Relationships change, people leave, and everything shifts whether you accept it or not. We cling to moments that were never meant to stay. But everything being temporary isn't painful, it's freeing. When you stop trying to hold life still, you finally start experiencing it. Freedom begins when your attention returns inward instead of chasing external validation. Ask yourself honestly, what am I still giving power to that no longer deserves it? Is it a person, a memory, or a fear of what might happen? Whatever came to mind first is where your energy is leaking right now. The moment you stop feeding it, your situation may not change immediately, but your mind does. And when your relationship with life changes, everything else starts shifting too. Freedom isn't perfection. It's no longer being controlled by what's outside you. Not people, not the past, not fear. Just you finally taking your power back.